Starting an e-commerce website can seem like an overwhelming task, but BigCommerce has made the process as straightforward as possible. So whether you're launching your first online store or you're looking to upgrade an existing site, this step-by-step guide will walk you through how to create a professional, feature-rich website using BigCommerce. From setting up your trial account to customizing your storefront, adding products, and managing orders, this guide will cover all the essential steps for launching your BigCommerce store successfully in 2024. Why choose BigCommerce? Before diving into the actual setup, it's important to understand why BigCommerce is such a popular choice among e-commerce entrepreneurs. BigCommerce is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that offers flexibility, scalability, and robust built-in features to help you manage your online store. It supports businesses of all sizes, whether you're just starting out or managing a large, growing business. Some of the platform's key benefits include no transaction fees. Unlike many other platforms, BigCommerce doesn't charge transaction fees on any plan. Advanced SEO capabilities. Built-in SEO tools help your store rank better in search engines. Multiple payment gateways. You can accept payments via several major gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. 24/7 customer support. So whether you're dealing with technical difficulties or you have a question about your store, BigCommerce's customer support is available around the clock. Integration with third-party apps. BigCommerce allows you to integrate with a variety of third-party apps to extend the functionality of your store. So now that you understand the benefits, let's go ahead and get started. Step 1, sign up for a BigCommerce trial. The first thing that you need to do is click the link down in the description below to get started with your free trial to BigCommerce. Here's how you can do it. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description. From here, go ahead and click on Start Your Free Trial. So look for the big blue Start Your Free Trial button. Click on that to go ahead and sign up for your 15-day free trial. Fill out the information. You'll need to enter in your first and last name, email address, phone number, and a store name. Then you'll be prompted to answer some basic questions about your business, such as your expected revenue and whether you're just starting or migrating from another platform. Then just complete the CAPTCHA and click Create My Store. After filling out the information, verify that you're not a robot and click on Create My Store. And within moments, you'll be taken to your brand new BigCommerce dashboard. Step 2, explore your BigCommerce dashboard. Once your trial account is created, you'll be redirected to the BigCommerce dashboard, which serves as the command center for your entire store. From here, you'll manage everything from products and orders to customizing your storefront. Now, what I would encourage you to do is spend some time here familiarizing yourself with the dashboard layout. Some of the key features of the dashboard include the orders area. So this is where you'll manage incoming orders, process returns, and handle customer service requests. And over here on the left-hand side, if we click on orders, we can go ahead and see that we have all the orders here. We can view, add, search, export, as well as these other options down here below as well. We also have products. So here you can add, edit, and categorize your products right here. We also have the customers tab here, and this is where you can view and manage customer details as well as contact information. We have the storefront tab, and here this is where you can customize the appearance of your website from themes to logos and homepage content. Then we have the marketing tab, and this is where you can manage SEO settings, discounts, and coupons all from this section here. And there's also the analytics tab here. So this is where you can track your store's performance, including traffic, revenue, and more. Now, if you just wanted to go ahead and view your site to see what it looks like, we can go ahead and click on this view store right here, and that'll bring us over here, and we can go ahead and see what our storefront looks like right now, right out of the box. Step 3, choosing your BigCommerce plan. Now, although you do have a 15-day free trial, it's good to be aware of the pricing plans available to you once your trial ends. There's a standard plan at $39 per month, and this is ideal for new stores. This plan covers everything that you need to get started, including unlimited products, file storage, and bandwidth. The Plus plan is $105 per month, and this plan adds advanced marketing tools like customer segmentation and abandoned cart recovery. The Pro plan is $399 per month, which is best for growing growing businesses, as the Pro plan includes everything from the Plus plan, along with Google customer reviews and additional customization options. Now, if you're unsure of which plan to get started with, you can always get started with the standard plan and upgrade later on. Step 4, customize your storefront. So once you've selected your plan, or you're just sticking with the free trial for now, it's time to customize your store's look and feel. So to do so, we're gonna go ahead and choose a theme. So we'll go ahead and click on the home button here just to navigate to the home section of the BigCommerce Dashboard. So on the left-hand side, we're gonna look for storefront, and we're gonna go ahead and click on that. From here, we can go ahead and select the theme. So you're gonna find a variety of free and paid themes in the BigCommerce marketplace. And while free themes can give your store a professional look, the premium themes often provide more advanced features and design options. So if we just come here to the theme marketplace, we can go ahead and filter here by all, free, or paid. So for now, let's just go ahead and click on free and see what there is to offer here. So we've got some different options, and for all of these being free, these look pretty dang good. So I kind of like the looks of this one over here, this Roots Original. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that, click add theme, apply theme now, click confirm. And now we can see that this is our current theme, this Roots Original. Now, after selecting a theme, you can go ahead and customize it to match your branding. So we can go ahead and click on customize right here to do so. And you can do things like upload your store's logo, choose your color scheme, and configure your header and footer settings. Now, some themes might offer more extensive customization, allowing you to change fonts, button styles, and more. Now we are inside of BigCommerce's page builder. So over here on the left-hand side, we have different options here. So we have widgets, layers, and theme styles. Set up your homepage. BigCommerce allows you to customize your homepage with sliders, featured products, and promotional banners. So taking a look at some of the different options, there's the homepage carousel. So the homepage carousel, like this, is a slider that showcases your featured products or change the transition speed and include links to product categories. So to add in a carousel, if we come over here to the page builder under widgets, we can find the carousel. We can go ahead and drag and drop that right in. And here you can see we can go ahead and filter through the different carousel pages. So you can give the carousel a title. So we'll call this featured products maybe. And then over here, we can have the slide one link. So this is where you can go ahead and add a link to where this page goes. And if we click on slide 2, we can go ahead and see the second page here, so we could link this to another product if that's what we wanted to do. Now, as far as setting up the home page goes, we can also change the logo and the favicon. So you can upload your store's logo to be displayed on your site and customize the favicon, which is the small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your website's name. Taking a further look here at the page builder, if we come up to the top, we can go ahead and change the view to go ahead and do a tablet preview as well as a mobile preview to make sure that our site is looking good on all devices. Now, over here on the left-hand side, we have some different options to go ahead and customize our page even further. So if we go ahead and click on the layers, we can go ahead and select all the layers of our page and make any edits to that specifically. And if we come down here to the bottom, we'll come to the themes styles. And this is where we can go ahead and change things like the colors. And these will be the global changes to the entire website. So if we go ahead and make changes here to this color for headings, that'll make the changes all across the website globally. We can also come in here and change the fonts. So BigCommerce makes its page builder super easy to use and customize your website just to your liking. Step 5, add products to your store. Once you have your theme in place, the next step is to start adding products. Here's how you can add your first product. So from the BigCommerce dashboard, we're gonna come back here to the home page and go to the products section. We'll go ahead and click on products and click on add. Next, we just need to fill in the product details. So we'll need to fill in the name, the price, the SKU, the weight, and the description. So for this, we'll go ahead and just add a sample product, call it a black baseball hat. Select the product type, which in this case, it is a physical good, but you can also sell digital goods on BigCommerce as well. The default price, we'll go ahead and set that to $35. Brand, you can go ahead and add a new brand here or select one from your store already. And then down below here, we'll go ahead and add a description. And down below here, this is where you can go ahead and add any images or videos. So you want to upload high quality images of your product. Now, BigCommerce allows for multiple images per product, so feel free to show your product from different angles. There's also some other product identifiers here that you can fill out if it makes sense for you and your business. Like we have the SKU from earlier, then there's also the manufacturer part number, the product UPC/EAN, the global trade item number, as well as a bin picking number. You can also set the pricing down here as well. You can go ahead and select a tax class, whether that's default tax class, non-taxable, shipping, or gift wrapping. And you can also set up BigCommerce to track inventory. And if you want to track inventory, go ahead and select this box here. And then you can choose to track inventory on the product level or the variant level. And make sure you just go ahead and set a current stock. So we'll say there's 100 right now, and low stock is 30. Here you can add any product options as well. So if you wanted to add variant options, for example, if we wanted to add a red hat to this as well, this is where we could do that as well. There's also this customization section as well. So you can add modifier options like a text box, checkbox, or file upload to enable further product customization. Next is the storefront here, and we can set up what customers will see on the storefront. So for the search keywords here, so the search keywords are optional, but if entered, will be used to assist people when searching your products using on-site search. So they can enter keywords here separated by comma, such as, affordable, portable, etc. And this will just help find products on your website easier. And we'll go ahead and click on save to save our product. And it says that the product has been successfully saved. Step 6, set up payment methods. To accept payments on your store, you'll need to set up a payment gateway. BigCommerce integrates with several payment providers, including PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. Here's how to set it up. First, we're going to navigate to settings. So we'll come back here and we'll click on home and come down to settings here on the left-hand side. And then we're going to go and look for payments. So we'll go ahead and click on payments right here. And then here we can select the payment provider that you want to use. PayPal is a popular option and comes pre-configured with BigCommerce. And Stripe is another easy to use option that allows for credit card payments as well. So you can go ahead and choose the one that's going to make the most sense for you and click on set up. And then here, this is where you go ahead and connect it with PayPal. So depending on the payment gateway, you'll need to enter your different account details or API keys to connect your store with your payment provider. And then you're just going to want to make sure to test the payment system. So before launching your store, run a few test transactions to ensure that everything is working smoothly. Step 7, set up shipping options. So shipping is a critical part of your e-commerce store. BigCommerce makes it easy to configure your shipping rates and options. So to do that, we're going to go to shipping settings. So in the settings section, we're going to click on shipping. So we'll come back here to settings and we'll go ahead and click on shipping. And then you're going to want to select shipping zones. So we're going to decide which countries or regions that we want to ship to. You can set different rates for different zones, such as offering free shipping in the US and flat rate shipping for international orders. So to add a shipping zone, you just come over here to click on add shipping zone. You can add a country zone, add a custom zone, or add the rest of the world. So for example, we could add a country zone for the United States here. So we'll just type in United States and hit submit. Or here it already has a United States shipping rule. So we can go ahead and configure that rule here, and we can either select free shipping, flat rate, ship by. This calculates shipping costs based on the order value or the total weight items, or pickup if you wanted to do that as well. You can also connect to FedEx, UPS, or USPS. But for this example, we'll go ahead and just select free shipping and hit submit. We'll go ahead and click done. And that is how you can go ahead and set up your shipping. You can also change handling fees. So if you need to charge a handling fee for certain orders, you can add this in the shipping settings here as well. Step 8, set up taxes. So taxes can be complicated, but BigCommerce helps simplify the process. Here's how to configure your tax settings for your online store in BigCommerce. So we're going to go to tax settings. So we'll come back here, click on settings, look for tax, and click on here. So BigCommerce offers built-in tax settings that automatically calculate taxes based on your store's location, and you can set tax rates for each region or state. So here is where we have those tax rules. So we have 4 tax classes, 1 tax zone, and 0 tax rate. And to edit that, we can come in here and click on edit. And here we can come over to tax classes, tax rates, and zones. And if we wanted to, we could add a new tax zone right here. So if you sell internationally, you can set different tax rates for each country or region. You can also set up exempt products. So if you sell products that are tax exempt, be sure to mark them as such during the product setup process. Step Step 9, preview your store. Before launching your store, you'll want to preview it to see how it looks and functions. So on your dashboard, click the View Store in the upper left-hand corner to see the public-facing version of your site. Check responsiveness. You want to test how your store looks on both desktop and mobile devices. BigCommerce themes are usually mobile responsive, but it's always a good idea to double check. Test functionality. Add a product to your cart, proceed to checkout, and ensure that the payment and shipping options work as expected. And step 10, launch your store. Once you're satisfied with the design and functionality of your store, it's time to launch it. Remove the password. BigCommerce automatically places your store in maintenance mode until you're ready to launch. To take your store live, you need to go to store settings and uncheck enable maintenance mode. Connect your domain. If you purchased a custom domain, for example, www.yourstore.com, then you can connect your BigCommerce store through the domains tab under settings. Next, announce your launch. Once your store is live, let your customers know. Share the news on social media, send an email to your subscribers, and start marketing your store to drive traffic. So, congratulations, you've just launched your first BigCommerce store. While this guide covered the basics of getting started with BigCommerce, there's always more to learn as your business grows. So be sure to explore the additional features and tools that BigCommerce offers, such as advanced SEO settings, product reviews, email marketing integrations, and more. And remember, if you want to get started with BigCommerce, you'll find a link to do so down in the description to get started with your free 15-day trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.